got a very good team. I mean, without a team giving everything they have, we cannot achieve something like this. That's what we believe. Every movie of mine, I expect everyone to give everything that they have and achieve what we dreamed of. And it was an amazing experience working with Dijo. Uh, all these years when we were discussing the projects, we have discussed other projects also, but this was the one we wanted to do anyway. And since then, we have been discussing a lot of things. I mean, he has been a very good friend even before we started the movie's shoot. It was an amazing experience working with him. And then our producers. This I met them during the shoot, and now we have been meeting again and again. And I love how they three brothers stay together and they are achieving their dreams together. That's very admirable. And all the best for CQ Bros Productions. And we also have Worldwide Films, Brijesh and Naufal. Naufal was there on the set every day. And when one of the movies which I produced with Basil Joseph in the lead, Naufal was one of the production partners. So I know him since a very long time. And Naufal has been very supportive, and without a producer being there on the set, ready to give everything we want, I mean, for achieving our dream. And he has been the backbone of the movie. And amazing actors we had, like Shatru. So we met during the shoot, and we had a fight sequence, and after every shot, we were consoling each other. Do you have body pain? I also have body pain. So we'll be, and that's how we became friends, discussing our. And he's a very good friend, and he's someone I would call when I come to Hyderabad anytime from now. And Kayadu, she left. She has been an amazing co-artist and a wonderful person, and she's very passionate about acting. And that passion I could see when she was preparing for every scene. It's not easy to work in different languages at the same time and do well. It's very hard. I'm someone who acts predominantly in Malayalam cinema, so and that's my first language, my mother tongue. So it's easy for me. But when people from other industries, and Shatru also, he had to, and his Malayalam is very good. Now, I think you should do more Malayalam. So I've seen actors from other industries coming and learning Malayalam. And Malayalam is a tough, words in Malayalam are a little tough. So I've seen her preparing, taking notes and working hard. And in the movie, I hope I mean, our performances will be liked by the people. And yeah, after April 10th, it's not just our movie anymore. It's going to be all of ours. Thank you so much.